Here's how I use this one gel to help with back pain. So a while ago, I was suffering from back pain and I used this gel to help, and it is a natural gel. It is a ointment. Also, it's available in an ointment and it helps massively with any sort of topical pain. In this case, it has helped me with back pain. And this gel that I'm talking about is a homeopathic gel called arnica gel. You can also find it in an ointment form, and what it does is it helps to ease muscle pain and muscle soreness. Now, homeopaths do say that arnica has anti-inflammatory properties, and what it does is it can help in speeding recovery from any sort of inflammation as well, inflammatory elements. So the way to use arnica gel is you can massage a little bit into the sore area 2 to 3 times daily, but please make sure you do not use arnica gel on areas that have broken skin. Arnica is a wonderful anti-inflammatory herb, usually used for its as a homeopathic remedy. You know, the little pellets that you put under the tongue, they melt, and then you absorb the benefits that way in terms of pain relief as well, in terms of anti-inflammatory components. So this is how arnica has helped me. If you have used arnica, I'd love to hear your experiences in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel. We are on a mission to reach 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you can help us with this journey, very much appreciated. Thank you for your support. And if you enjoyed today's content, stay tuned for more. I'll see you in the next one.